Peace and blessing. How on the chillin' be? This is the Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Oh yeah, on the chillin'. It did this your last day, Black History Month for 2022. So I come on you for say tanky to all of you who throughout the month told them not robbery and you go on and shop at gullahgeechee.biz. Especially the one what buy the books and things like that, because every book will purchase there this year month, we gonna take a next book and give them away, you see, to either a Gullah Geechee library, a Gullah Geechee community center, or Gullah Geechee family. So today the last day, I calling for all the 100 children who are watching this show, for make them go viral. People go to gullahgeechee.biz, purchase one the book, so that then we can have a whole stack on that we could give away to the Gullah Geechee community. We want to continue to promote Gullah Geechee literacy. So what we done is even with the books for people been purchased last Saturday, what been a bless up time. Great God of 100 children in, but did it? I sorry for you. You must them, yeah? But you can view them on gullahgeechee.tv. So make sure to go to gullahgeechee.tv, subscribe for free, go to gullahgeechee.biz and purchase a book from me. And then what we could do is all the book will be purchased from gullahgeechee.biz during this February, plus them one what people will purchase at the Gullah Geechee Black History Experience. We can add up how much books they purchase and things like that. And for every book, we can match a book and we could give that way to one the Gullah Geechee Library, Gullah Geechee Community Center, or the Gullah Geechee family. So today the last day of February, so this the last day Hunter can join me and do that. Then if you say, well, I ain't gonna necessarily have to have y'all ship me a book and all of that, but I want support, just $, Gullah Geechee Nation on Cash App, and then put inside the lead memo thing, say, for book donation. And then that way we can match them up and we can still use that for ship out some of the book to some of the other rest of the place so we ain't gonna drive to and drop them off. So make sure, thank you to all the 100 children that joined we all this year month in the celebration of Black history and Black literacy. We appreciate you for supporting gullahgeechee.biz and Red of us coming your last Saturday and supporting the Gullah Geechee family. Oh, we got some more thing coming up for 1 month now. Get ready. Peace, love, and blessing all the family.